Golden Heaven on Earth consciousness has arrived. It's a consciousness that we already hold within us, and now we're ready to anchor that consciousness into the matrix of love, the matrix of light. The Golden Heaven on Earth Oracle has been created to help you with that process. And together we anchor in the new Golden Heaven on Earth consciousness. The pre-sales are now open at my website www.GoldenHeavenOnEarth.net. Today is the day that you help to anchor in the consciousness of Golden Heaven on Earth.